Hello girls. Now we are going to discuss about atom and molecules. The first scientific theory of an atom was proposed by John Dalton. His theory about an atom were found incorrect by the later studies made by J.J. Thomson, Rutherford, Niels Bohr, and Schrödinger. In Dalton's theory, all matter consists of indivisible particle called atom. Atoms can't be created or destroyed. And this theory were removed and a new theory was put forward, that is modern atomic theory. Atoms have proton, neutron in the center making nucleus that is surrounded by one or more electrons. Main postulates of modern atomic theory are: first postulate, an atom no longer invisible after discovery of proton, neutron and electron. Next one, what is mass number? What is atomic number? Atomic number means the number of protons value. Mass number means sum of proton and neutron value. Okay, see the picture. Top is atomic number, down is atomic mass number. Okay. Second postulates, atom of same element but different atomic mass number, and it is called isotopes. Third postulates, atom of different element but same atomic mass number, it is called isobars. See the picture, argon, potassium, calcium, a different element 40, that is atomic number is same, and these are isobars. Fourth postulates, what is artificial transmutation? Atom of one element transmuted into other element of atom. See the picture, nitrogen atom bombarding the alpha particle and it gives the other atom, that is oxygen. So this is called artificial transmutation. Next, fifth postulate, atom may not always combine simple whole number. See the picture. In glucose ratio is 6 is to 12 is to 6. By dividing 6, 1 is to 2 is to 1. And sucrose ratio is 12 is to 22 is to 11. This is not a simple whole number. Sixth postulate, atom is smallest particle takes part in chemical reaction. Last postulate, the mass of an atom can be converted into energy is equal to mc square, that is Einstein equation. These are all main postulates of modern atomic theory. Now we are going to see atomic mass. What is atomic number? Atomic number is number of proton present in an atom. Now similar lines, can you tell me what atomic mass could be? Yes, it simply means mass of an atom. But how does get determined? We have bag is made up of thin material, so that have not any mass of its own. Now we fill this bag with vegetables when we can calculate the total mass of the bag. Similarly, we can calculate atomic mass with the help of subatomic particle, that is proton, neutron and electron. We know that it among all these subatomic particle, electron have negligible mass, that is weightless. Remaining neutron and proton is a considerable mass. For example, in fluorine we have 9 proton and 10 neutron, and the total would give us 19 units. So atomic mass of fluorine is 19. Next one, what is relative atomic mass? Atom is very small, it can't be determined directly. So they measured the mass of equal number of atoms of two or more element at a time. See the picture. இப்போ 3 எலமெண்ட்டு நான் சேம் மாஸ் நம்பராக இருக்கக்கூடிய 3 எலமெண்ட்டை எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஸோ அதில் செகண்ட் ஒன் ஸ்டாண்டர்டாக ஒரு ஆர்பிட்டரி வேல்யூ நான் கொடுக்குறேன். ஸோ அந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஆர்பிட்டரி வேல்யூ வச்சு எலமெண்ட் 1 எலமெண்ட் 3 இதை விட பெருசா இல்லை சின்னதா அப்படின்ட்டு நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன், ரிலேட் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டாண்டர்டாக ஒரு வேல்யூ வச்சு ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிறத நான் ரிலேட் பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் கால்டு ரிலேட்டிவ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ். In the beginning, hydrogen atom was chosen as a standard, but later hydrogen atom was replaced. But now isotope carbon C12 is used as standard for measuring the relative atomic mass of an element. Mass of an atom எதில் measure பண்ணுவோம், that is AMU, atomic mass unit. But nowadays only U மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். Okay. Relative atomic mass is indicated by letter AR. Relative atomic mass of an element is the average mass of atom that element has compared 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon 12 isotope. Next topic is average atomic mass. Average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of masses of its naturally occurring isotopes. 9 atomic mass இருக்கக்கூடிய ஐசோடோப்பு 50%, 10 atomic mass இருக்கக்கூடிய ஐசோடோப் 50% நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஹவு டு கேல்குலேட் ஆவரேஜ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ்? ஃபஸ்ட் ஐசோடோப் தட் இஸ் 9 இன்ட்டு 50% அப்படின்னா 50 டிவைடட் பை 100ன்னு போடுவோம் இல்லையா? ஸோ செகண்ட் ஏமியூ தட் இஸ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் 10 இன்ட்டு 50/100 எவ்வளோ வேல்யூ? டோட்டல் வேல்யூ 4.5 ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன், செகண்ட் ஒனுக்கு 5. ஸோ 9.5 atomic mass unit. In periodic table கார்பன் மாஸ் நம்பர் 12.00ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்க மாட்டாங்க, 12.01ன்னு கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. பிகாஸ் we have two element that is C carbon 12 and carbon 13. ஸோ carbon 12 பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதோடைய வேல்யூ 98.90, carbon 13% 1.10. ஸோ how to calculate average atomic mass? ஸோ 12 into first one carbon 12க்கு 98.9 divided by 100. Next one 13 into 1.1 divided by 100. First one multiple பண்ணா 1186.8 divided by 100. Second one 14.3 divided by 100. So fraction convert into decimal point. Convert பண்ணோம்னா என்ன வரும்? 12.011 atomic mass unit. See the example 2, how to find out the mass number of boron. Next one, molecule and its classification. What is molecule? A molecule may consist of two atoms of same element or many atoms of different element. Next classification, molecule contain one atom is called monoatomic, and molecule consists two atoms are called diatomic. Molecule contain three atoms are called triatomic, and molecule consists of more than three atoms is called polyatomic.